Inilah, kita pusing saja. Kalau ini plastik hati-hati saja pusing.
That's how to open the filter.
BCP ayaw.
This
They got two, isn't it?
yes, two pieces, small and big.
One out.
This come together with
Got
the
this one.
whole package.
Carry oil, okay? Right?
This one is 5 liter.
Oil filter they got.
Clean up properly before you close that. Okay, it will take time. We will get back later. It's a 5 liter. We need to fill in all. Okay, done. The oil already add on. Change oil already. Now we see inside need to reset or not. Done already. Then we just start. The first thing we start and see got any warning sign or display for. Now we see the oil. See the oil. The car must be in the parking or neutral. Then the vehicle information. Vehicle status. After change, we of course need to measure the oil enough or not. This thing is in the grey color because the engine is not enough warm, so need few minutes for this to get warm. Now we can start measuring. It already displayed. Just press. Okay, so it start measuring the oil. Okay, go up to 10%, then it will rise up to 100%, then it will show minimum or maximum. Okay, come back later. Okay, so it's a perfect maximum. So So we just now add on 5 liter, exactly maximum. This is switch, just on. Okay, then press. Engine oil. Okay, just hold until it is complete. Okay, it's done.